હેલો મોહસિન, કેવું છે બકા?
સર મજામાં, તમે?
બસ જો બેટા જીવીએ છે. અરે મોહસિન, મારે તારી જોડે એક વાત કરવી હતી. તમારા જે સેકન્ડ યર ની પબ્લિક છે ને એમાં એવું બની શકે કે તમે 2-3 જણ ભેગા થઈને અહીંયા આવી જાઓ અને લેબ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ્સ કરો, પછી આપણા વિડીયો ઉતારીને બધાને જોડે શેર કરીએ આ વિડીયો.
હા સર, થઈ શકે.
તમે આવી શકશો?
હા સર, હું તો આવી શકે, મને કશો વાંધો નથી.
ક્યારે આવશે બેટા?
સર હું તમને મેસેજ કરી દઈશ આજ સુધી તમને ટાઈમ બધું, અને 2-3 રેડી હશે એને પૂછી દઈશ હું જે આવવાના તૈયાર હશે ને.
ઓકે, એક જ મિનિટ. હું છે ને તને કહું કે તું ક્યારે આવી શકશે ટેકનિકલી છે ને ગુરુવારે સવારે
ગુરુવાર સવારે સર અવાજ કપાય છે. હેલો સર, અવાજ નથી આવતો.
Very good morning to all of you. Rishi, Hey, Push.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. 20 EC D04. Is it Vraj Vaniawala?
Yes, sir.
Hello, beta. How are you?
Fine, sir. Good morning, sir.
Your weekend was nice. Vraj,
Yes, sir.
weekend was nice.
Yes.
So now we can do the as per our commitment. Your exams whenever you are free, please let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. So we have started with the basics. Along with those basics, we have already started few points in it, and those few points included those few points included the few parameters for H parameters and pi model for CE equivalent circuit. Now what we have done up till now is clearly reflective in the terminologies that we have studied. So I would request any one of you to kindly share or kindly, let me know the points or the terminologies that we have studied. Any one of you randomly. Hello, my voice is clearly audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you just let me know what are the points that we have studied, or what are the terminologies that we studied? Yesha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Yesha. Continue.
Uh,
Yesha, please let me know, beta.
yes, sir. Sir, we studied about last we studied about input conductance G B dash E.
Madam, all the points that we have studied up till now in Gia-Coletta model. I made a list. You all have made that list. That what are the topics that we have studied. Enrollment number 18. Hello, ma'am. Hello, enrollment number 18.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can you let us know that what are the topics that you've already studied?
So we studied hybrid pi model CE transistor. Then we studied transition capacitance. Then spreading resistance. Then hybrid pi conductance. Then input conductance.
These are the parameters that we have studied up till now. as per enrollment number 18, right? These all parameters we have studied. So now we are proceeding further. Our last point of discussion was this, yes or no? Rishi,
Yes, sir.
this
Yes,
was our
sir.
last point of discussion. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now we are having this thing.
Sir, we have to start.
Yes. Please start the feedback conductance. Feedback conductance. I hope this is the new topic, feedback conductance. That is what that was remaining in our last lecture. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note down feedback conductance. It is generated by GB-C. GB-C. So students, when we talk or when we consider figure number 5A, I hope all of you remember figure number 5A with that we have already drawn. Please respond yes or
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so according to figure number 5A, HRE. What is HRE? HRE is reverse voltage gain. Hello? Heath? Heath?
Yes, sir.
HRE is reverse voltage gain with IB is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So the formula for reverse voltage gain would be HRE is equal to VB dash E divided by VCE. I repeat again, HRE is equal to VB dash E divided by VCE. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, we are talking about H parameter or hybrid model for CE configuration. So, the input voltage, that is VI, is equal to HRE multiplied by VCE. HRE multiplied by VCE. Now, what we are trying to see is, we already know what is VCE. We already know what is VCE. See, in our past calculations, we have already calculated VCE. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the total resistance in the circuit, as you can see in the diagram, the total resistance in the circuit of figure 5A, what we are seeing? We are seeing that there are two kinds of resistances available. One is RB-E and one is RB-C. Can you see figure number 5A or should I scroll it up?
No, sir. We have figure number 5.
Yes, we have.
So at node B dash, you can see that we are having two resistances, RB dash C and RB dash E. So at input voltage, that is VI, we can say that VI or VCE rather, VCE is equal to I1 bracket RB dash C plus RB dash E. That is because we consider that I1 is our input current over here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I1 it is equal to VCE upon RB dash C plus RB dash E. I have taken I1 on one side and rest all terminologies on the other side. Can you do that thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Now I am talking that what is the voltage between B dash and E. I repeat, voltage between B dash and E. Please see voltage between B dash and E. What it is known as?
VB dash E.
Yes. So this VB dash E is nothing but I1 multiplied by RB dash E. I1 multiplied by RB dash E.
Yes.
Okay. Now, since VB dash E is equal to I1 multiplied by RB dash E, what is the value of I1 that we have just now calculated? VCE divided by RB dash C plus RB dash E? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Put the value of I1 over here. Put the value of I1 over here. Please let me know the answer. What have you achieved or what you have got? Any one of you? Hello? Hello?
Sir, VC into RB dash C divided by RB dash C plus RB dash C.
એક મિનિટ what is in the numerator VCE સિવાય બીજો કયો ટર્મિનોલોજી કીધી છે?
RB dash E.
હા બરાબર છે, correct. Now please note down what we have written in the first line of this article. HRE is reverse voltage gain when IB is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I say IB is equal to 0, that means what? VI is equal to VB dash E. Input voltage is directly equal to VB dash E because we are considering that there is no base current. IB is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this VB dash E formula that just now Rishi has told, that would be now equivalent to VI.
Yes.
So
Yes,
mark
sir.
it as equation number 11. Mark it as equation number 11. So final equation 11 is VI is equal to RB dash E multiplied by VCE divided by RB dash C plus RB dash E. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whatever VI you have got, put this value of VI in equation number 10, which is shown on the screen. Put this value in equation number 10, which is shown in the screen, and calculate HRE. Calculate HRE. Please do it. I hope you are marking equation numbers, which I have told you in the previous lecture also.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Hit.
Sir, HRE equal to RB dash E divided by RB dash C plus RB dash E.
Okay, correct.
We are trying to find unknown values by comparing them with predetermined or predefined targets. Okay, so for here, comparison.
I hope all of you are getting the same answer? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
46. Is he there in the class? Hello? Hello? Moshin, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kush, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now from this formula, that is, I repeat again, HRE is equal to, in the numerator we are having RB dash E, and in the denominator we are having RB dash C plus RB dash E. This is the formula that we have achieved. So now keep RB dash E on one side and rest all terminologies on the other side. I repeat, keep RB dash E on one side and rest all terminologies on the other side. Please do it. Ultimately, in this article, we want to calculate GB dash C. GB dash C. So it is nothing but 1 upon RB dash C. So for that particular purpose, we need to calculate what is RB dash C basically. So from the given formula, please calculate what is RB dash C. I repeat, what is RB dash C? Once you do it, please let me know the formula. Once you do it, please let me know the formula.
HRE under bracket R B dash C plus R B dash E.
Can you just repeat?
HRE under inside bracket R B dash C plus R B dash E.
Okay. So now, if I want to calculate RB dash C is equal to, then what is the answer from this equation? What is RB dash C?
HRE R into RB dash C plus HRE into RB dash E.
No.
Sir, RB dash E whole bracket 1 minus HRE.
So that is equal to HRE multiplied by RB dash C. Right, Anubhav?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, what we are having is HRE multiplied by RB dash C is equal to bracket 1 minus HRE bracket close RB dash E. So from this, kindly calculate RB dash C. I would be showing you in my screen. Please wait.
particular variable is called as
I hope my screen is visible to all of you. What I wanted to say is 1 minus HRE bracket RB dash E is equal to HRE multiplied by RB dash C. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
So RB dash C is equal to 1 minus HRE divided by HRE overall multiplied by RB dash E. Are you getting that term?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now 1 minus HRE means approximately this value is equal to 1 or near about 1. So the numerator is approximately equal to 1 only. The numerator is approximately equal to 1 only. Hence, what we get is RB dash C is equal to RB dash E divided by HRE, because numerator is approximately equal to 1. Are you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we wanted to calculate feedback conductance. I repeat, we wanted to calculate feedback conductance. Feedback conductance is basically GB dash C. GB dash C. We have already calculated RB dash C. So GB dash C would be 1 upon RB dash C. So please let me know what is GB dash C.
HRE upon
HRE divided by
हाँ हाँ बराबर से बोलता रहो.
HRE divided by RB dash E.
Okay, so this is GB dash C, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Anubhav, what is 1 upon RB dash E?
GB B dash E, sorry.
Yes, GB dash E. So I can say that GB dash C is equal to HRE multiplied by GB dash E. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
So please mark it as equation number 12. Please mark it as equation number 12. Now I would like to ask one more thing. I would like to ask one more thing. What is RB dash C in the previous article? RB dash E rather. RB dash E in the previous article.
HFE
HFE, yeah.
VT divided by IC.
Divided by IC into HRE.
Okay, the recognize
Yes, sir.
in Indian Bureau of Standards, National Organization of Standards, this ISO, International Organization of Standards, in Indian Bureau of Standards. Okay, consider India, if you are talking about
Students, this is RB dash E. I have mistakenly written as C, but it is actually E. Okay?
okay.
So from this equation, this is the final equation. This is GB dash C and it is this. Yes?
कल हमने डिराइव किया था RB dash E, उसमें हमने मतलब नीचे HRE नहीं लिया था.
Yes, it was just
Yes, sir.
HFE VT upon IC.
Sir, please check equation number 12.
Measurement play a very significant role
Okay, sir.
in every branch of
समझ में आया?
research
हाँ,
and
sir.
engineering system.
मैंने इसका ये लिया है तो ये यहाँ पर आ सकता है. मैंने इसकी वैल्यू पुट की है यहाँ पर. So this is perfect RB dash C because we have put this value over here.
Okay, so the whole area of
ये value ले ली.
automatic control is based on the
I will just show you.
measurement. The very concept of control is based on the comparison of actual condition and desired performance. The exactness of error depends on the
Are you able to see this thing?
measurement. With both
Yes, sir.
definitions, we
Yes, sir.
So we have put this thing.
decision should be made. So the measurement confirms the validity of the hypothesis and also it
यहाँ पर वो वैल्यू डाल दी तो इसका रिवर्स लेंगे तो ये HRE इस यहाँ से आ जाएगा.
new stories that require new and sophisticated
Yes or no?
consider nowadays
Yes, sir.
too many digital features are available.
Please mark it as equation number 13.
10 years ago. Those process were taking too much time. Why? Because at that time this kind of improvement was not there. But now improvement is there, that is why it is taking lesser time. Okay, so through the measurement of the product, can we design for process?
Now please note down the next topic, that is base spreading resistance. Please note down the next topic, that is base spreading resistance. It is commonly known as RBB dash. It is commonly known as RBB dash. Now you can see in this circuit of RBB dash, I hope all of you can see figure number 5A and figure number 5B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in figure number 5A and 5B, I have mentioned one terminology, that is RBB dash, and this RBB dash is nothing but H parameter for CE configuration. It is H parameter for CE configuration where output is shorted. Output is shorted, that is VCE is equal to 0. I repeat, VCE is equal to 0. So according to the hybrid pi model, HIE is equal to RBB dash plus RB dash E. It is RBB dash plus RB dash E. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if I keep RBB dash on one side, what would be the other side? RBB dash is equal to
HIE minus
HIE minus, बोलो बोलो अनुभव बोलो.
RB dash E.
हाँ, तो अब हम लोग आर बी डैश ई को किससे रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? पहले का फॉर्मूला आपके पास ऑलरेडी है,
Yes, sir.
एच एफ ई वी टी अपॉन आई सी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो प्लीज लिख लो और फाइंड आउट करो आर बी बी डैश इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच. Hello students, I hope all of you are getting it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I request all of you to find out the final R B B dash is equal to.
Sir, IC HIE minus HFE VT whole divided by IC.
Yes, Anubhav, you are correct because you have taken a common LCM. I hope all of you can see equation number 14.
Okay, now it is.
Yes, sir.
Principally in India,
Okay.
recently, 2 years ago, GST was implemented. Okay, so I need to pay GST, goods and service tax. So
Now I am going to start with another article.
with trade, trade means exchange of product and taxation. From came the need of for the standardized unit. Okay. Now, it's a very nice.
All of you are requested to please note down the new article. The title is Output Conductance. This is the last article for the first Gaia-Coletta model. I repeat, this is for Gaia-Coletta model. The Gaia-Coletta model we started as unit 1 of analog circuit design. So this is the last parameter analysis for this Gaia-Coletta model, and that is nothing but output conductance GCE. So from the figure that we had taken, figure number 5A, when IB is equal to 0, we know that HOE is equal to IC upon VCE. HOE is IC upon VCE. HRE is equal to VB dash E divided by VCE. VB dash E divided by VCE. Hello students.
Yes, sir.
Am Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You're
sir,
audible.
you're audible.
So HOE was equal to IC upon VCE and HRE is equal to VB dash E upon VCE. Okay. So now we know that IC is equal to, from figure number 5a, if I see, then I can say that IC, the collector current, is equal to output voltage divided by output resistance. As you can see, તમારી જોડે ને તો તમે જો રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં C અને E પછી પહેલો રેઝિસ્ટર શાનું છે? RCE નું છે. હેલો,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ફિગર નંબર 5a માં પહેલા CE પહેલા RCE છે અને એનાથી પહેલા એક કરંટ સોર્સ છે. યસ ઓર નો?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
કરંટ સોર્સની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? GM મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય VB ડેશ E.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
હવે B ડેશ પછી કેટલો કરંટ ફ્લો થાય છે? I1. that we have already calculated in our previous article. I1 તો ખબર છે ને, હમણાં જ આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કર્યા છે.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So IC is equal to VCE divided by RCE plus GM VB dash E plus I1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I1 is nothing but this, that is VCE divided by RB dash C plus RB dash E.
Yes, sir.
So now in the given section we know that RB dash C. What is RB dash C? The resistance between the virtual base and the collector. The resistance between the virtual base and the collector is very, very large as compared to the resistance between the virtual base and the emitter, that is RB dash E. So if that thing is neglected, what we are having? We are having I1 is equal to VCE divided by RB dash C.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, if I can say that I1 is VCE divided by RB dash C, I will put this value. I can put this value in the above terminology of IC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. હવે તમે સૌથી પહેલો ફોર્મ્યુલા જો, HOE is equal to IC upon VCE લખેલો છે.
Yes.
ઓકે, ચલો હવે IC નું વેલ્યુ શું છે? IC ની વેલ્યુ આ સર્કિટમાં છે જ, આ ઇક્વેશનમાં લખેલી છે ને, VCE divided by RCE plus GM VB dash E plus I1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
તો IC ને આપણે એનાથી રિપ્લેસ કરીએ. So what is HOE equals to? I hope you are getting it. Should I repeat again?
No, sir. I got it.
Enrollment number 10. Enrollment number 10.
So in metric system, initially it was defined as a 10 raised to 7 times.
Yes, sir.
What is HOE is equal to now?
And in 19th century, racing bar made to this length was established as a standard of the length. Okay, so if I want to say more about this thing, then these students, most of the standards are available in one laboratory in France. Okay, so over here, example related to the measurement of the light is suggested. Over here, I have used particular crystal phase.
Enrollment number 9. Hari Joshi.
It is creating
Yes, sir.
What is HOE equals to?
transmission of the light.
So 1 upon R CE plus 1 upon R B dash C plus GM into HRE.
Hello.
Very good. Enrollment number 10. Kindly start paying attention in the lectures.
They have created
So based on this, 1 upon RCE is nothing but GCE.
which light can travel easily. Okay. So that is
Similarly,
the converted system.
the other thing is
For the length measurement, we are in kilogram. Am I right? For the length,
the other thing is
kilogram.
1 upon RB dash C is nothing but GB dash C. Next we were having GM into HRE. So what is the value of GM? That we have already calculated. It is transconductance. So I will say that it is nothing but GB dash E HFE multiplied by GB dash C divided by GB dash E. Hence, if I was to calculate GCE, so I will calculate GCE by keeping it on one side and the rest all terminologies on the other side. Please let me know what is GCE now. I know that I have shared the screen where the answer is written, but I expect you to do it on your own copies so that you would be able to understand what we have done up till now. If you get the same answer as seen on the screen, please unmute yourself and say yes.
Yes, sir. Got the same answer.
Enrollment number 50 has got. Any other enrollment number?
Sir, got it.
Enrollment number 27 has got.
Sir, got it.
Enrollment number 45 has got. Enrollment number 19 has got. 43 has got. Enrollment number 7.
Yes, sir.
Have you achieved it?
Yes, sir.
Shruti, enrollment number 6. Have you achieved it?
Yes, sir.
Enrollment number 26.
हेलो सर सर मल्टीप्लाई जी बी डी एस ई भी आएगा ना साथ में
क्या आएगा साथ?
प्लस एच एफ ई इंटू जी बी डैश जी बी डैश ई भी आएगा
सर नहीं आएगा ना, जी बी डैश ई तो कैंसिल नहीं हो गया साथ के टर्म के साथ.
सो वो उधर गया ना LCM में.
क्या
जी बी डैश ई भी आएगा, मतलब जी बी डैश सी मल्टीप्लाई बाय जी बी डैश सी, तो ही एच आर ई होगा.
46 जी बी डैश ई जो है वो जो लास्ट टर्म है उसी में कैंसिल नहीं हो गया. फाइन.
यस हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So now, if and only if there is one condition written in the screen also, if and only if HFE is very greater than 1, if and only if HFE is very greater than 1, then my new GCE would be equal to HOE minus GMHRE. HOE minus GMHRE. Please mark it as equation number 15. Please mark it as equation number 15. Now, based on all the 15 equations, we have derived some terminologies, and these terminologies are 7. There are 7 terminologies that we have defined. I will start from the last one. The last one is GCE. The last one is GCE, and GCE is nothing but HOE minus bracket 1 plus HFE bracket close GB dash C. Yes or no? This is the 7th terminology that we have derived. Please respond yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before that, the 6th terminology that we had defined was RBB dash. That was known as spreading resistance or base spreading resistance. RBB dash was equal to HIE minus RB dash E. I repeat, RBB dash is equal to HIE minus RB dash E. Are you getting it? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, please let me know what is RB dash C formula. That is inverse of feedback conductance. Inverse of feedback conductance, or what is the formula of GB dash C finally? GB dash C.
HRE upon
HRE
RB
divided
C.
RB dash C.
Yes, HRE upon RB dash E or HRE multiplied by GB dash E. Okay. Now, this was our 5th parameter. Our 4th parameter was input conductance, that is GB dash E. What was the formula?
IC upon VT HFE.
Okay. So it is also, there is one more formula of GB dash E, Yesha. What it is?
GM upon HFE.
Yes, GM upon HFE. That is our 4th formula, GM upon HFE. So now what is the 3rd formula? That is what is transconductance? Hello, what is transconductance? GM is equal to?
ICQ upon KT.
ICQ upon?
KT.
No.
IC minus IC not by VT.
ICO upon VT.
हाँ, ICQ upon KT भी बोल सकते हो, IC minus IC upon VT भी बोल सकते हो. Basically 300 Kelvin पे IC upon 26 भी है. So technically क्या है? GM is absolute value of IC divided by VT. Absolute value of IC divided by VT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the formulas that we have derived up till now. We have derived 7 formulas based on 16 equations, and all these are related with the first diagram of Gia-Coletta model. I hope all of you are able to understand this Gia-Coletta model.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving towards the new article, which is known as hybrid pi capacitance. Hybrid pi capacitance. If you remember correctly, in the starting of the session of my second lecture, I had mentioned you a terminology which was known as diffusion capacitance and transition capacitance. Guys, as you can see in the Gia-Coletta model as well as in the first figures, I have drawn two terminologies which was known as CB-C and CB-E. One was diffusion capacitance and one was transition capacitance. Do you remember that formula? Hello students, do you remember that terminology? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So have you heard this terminology known as transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can anyone help me with the definition of what is transition capacitance and what is diffusion capacitance?
So in diffusion, when PN junction diode is forward biased, a capacitance effect is produced. It is called diffusion capacitance.
Okay. Okay, next. What is transition capacitance?
When PN junction diode is reverse biased, the capacitive effect is seen. That is known as transition capacitance.
Yes, correct. Thank you. Now we would be moving forward with these two articles of hybrid pi model capacitance for transition and diffusion. Okay, in our next lecture. So that's all for our today's lecture. Please do not go. I will take your attendance, then you may leave. Please do not move. I will take your attendance, then you may leave. Thank you, students. Now you may leave the session. In case of any doubt
Thank you,
or
sir.
queries, please feel free to ask.
No, sir, no doubt.
Thank you.
कोल्हापुर एक मिनट लेवल second level बराबर कोर्स है कोर्स कोड लिखो कोर्स टाइटल लिखो क्रेडिट लिखो थियरी अवर्स लिखा